Celina, and this is A Fairytale Flavor. I realized that I haven't had the chance to introduce myself and explain to you all why I started this channel. So, in this video, you guys are going to get to know a little about me and what to expect from the channel. I have always enjoyed baking. I've always had a sweet tooth. I really didn't know anything about cooking. I had taken a culinary arts class in high school, and some friends and I had messed up on some meals. And I told myself, oh my gosh, what am I going to do when I get married? I need to be able to cook for my future husband. I come from a family that loves to cook. My mom makes amazing homemade food. She's known for her green chili chicken enchiladas, and my grandma is known for her famous rice pudding. I guess at the time I was just enjoying their food and taking advantage of not having to cook. About 3 years ago, March 2017, I married my husband. He's in the Army. We're both from New Mexico, but he was getting stationed in Georgia. When we moved to Georgia, we started eating out a lot more, and I knew that something needed to change. So I picked up some cookbooks and got some ideas. That's when my cooking venture started, and I ended up enjoying and loving it. My husband and I were a lot happier eating home-cooked meals. We had our daughter January of 2019. I know when having children, it can tend to get hard to cook at home, but I didn't want that to stop me from cooking for my family. I knew by cooking at home, I know exactly what I'm putting into our food. I would make a plan what I was going to make us that week for dinner. Our daughter pretty much had a nap schedule, so during her second nap, I would start on dinner. So by the time she would wake up, my husband would be home from work and we would all eat together as a family. My husband enjoys barbecuing. You guys will get to see him on a few videos showing you all some of his barbecue recipes. We have a toy poodle named Sugar, and she has been a part of the family for 9 years. She loves to give lots of sugar kisses because she is so sweet. This is our baby girl Hazel. She enjoys playing with her kitchen. She's already showing a lot of interest in cooking and tends to mimic me. Soon, you will all be seeing her more on the channel helping me. Please don't get me wrong, I am no pro at this. I am just a mom that loves to cook, and I want to be able to share with you all what I have learned and what I'm still learning. On this channel, you're going to learn some easy and delicious meals and some yummy treats for those with a sweet tooth. I post 2 new recipes every week on Tuesday and Friday. If you haven't had a chance yet, please hit that red subscribe button, and I would love to have you here on the channel. Also, if you would like to get an inside scoop on my new recipes, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I am so excited to have you all here on the channel and to share with you all my recipes. I want to thank you all for being a part of the channel, and I'll see you guys for our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!